The hardest part of my job is just not knowing what I'm going to walk into. As a leader, sometimes you're just simply exhausted. And getting that message across may be very difficult depending on the issues that you dealt with before you walk into the room. I'm Steve Akinboro, and I'm a global business executive. Individual and personal development is very, very important for me. We don't know it all. So every time that I have a little bit of layover at the airport, here comes Leadercast videos, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It could simply be on strategy, it could be on tactics. From a Navy SEAL leader to a global business executive, bringing all types of global perspectives. So for me, it's one of the key ways that I enrich myself when I'm on the road. And that's where Leadercast really comes in. The perspective that other leaders bring to Leadercast is something that I find very beneficial as well. The world is going digital these days. So having Leadercast and the Leadercast platform enables me to do my job more effectively and more efficiently.
Leadercast Now is a great solution for investing in both yourself and your team. Hear from real people, learn real lessons, and apply real solutions to your leadership problems, all within minutes a day. Gain access to more than 150 of the world's foremost leadership experts, all for less than $1 per day.